In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey with Microsoft Forms, a task that's both simple and efficient for gathering information. To start, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft Forms using your Microsoft 365 credentials or a Microsoft account. Don't worry if you're new to this, accessing Microsoft Forms is as easy as pie. You can navigate to it through the Microsoft 365 suite or simply visit forms.office.com. Either way gets you to the same start line. Once you've signed in, the first thing you'll want to do is click on New Form. This option will be clearly visible on the page. By selecting New Form, you're essentially starting your blank canvas, ready to craft a survey tailored to your specific needs. Give your survey a title. This will help you and your respondents understand its purpose at a glance. You can also add a description to provide further context or instructions, ensuring that participants know exactly what you're asking for. After setting up the basics, it's time to dive into the heart of your survey, the questions. Click on Add New to begin this process. This feature allows you to start inputting the questions that will make up your survey. Microsoft Forms offers a range of question types to choose from, including choice, text, rating, and date. Each type serves a distinct purpose, so consider what sort of responses you're aiming to collect. Choice questions, for instance, are ideal for multiple choice responses, while text questions offer the flexibility of open-ended answers. As you build each question, customize them to suit your needs. Explore options to set questions as required, meaning respondents must answer them before moving on. Additionally, consider other settings that can help streamline the survey-taking process or enhance data quality. Think about how questions flow from one to the next. To maintain a logical structure, you might add sections which organize your survey content into clear, focused parts. Once your questions are set up, it's important to preview your survey. The preview function shows you exactly how your survey will appear on various devices. This step is crucial to ensure that layout and functionality align with your design intentions, and it helps you catch any last-minute errors. When you're happy with the final look and feel, it's time to share your survey. Simply copy the link provided and distribute it to your target audience. Sharing can be done via email, social media, or other communication platforms. This straightforward sharing process ensures that your survey reaches the right people quickly and efficiently. And there you have it, a complete survey ready to collect valuable responses using Microsoft Forms. With these easy steps, you're now equipped to gather insights effectively and make informed decisions based on the feedback you receive. Happy surveying!